The ruling's raising a lot of questions about what happens next.
Legal experts are reacting to the decision, including a former Missouri Supreme Court judge. 5 on your side's Justina Cornell joined us in studio after also hearing from Christopher Dunn's family today. Justina?
Mike and Christopher Dunn's wife texted me saying, "This feels like Chris being victimized all over again, just when he was getting his bearings in the free world." Dunn was released last summer after 34 years behind bars. Now the unknown creeps back in for Dunn after another decision in this ongoing case. A free man after 34 years. Christopher Dunn hugged his mom moments after his release. The high, short-lived. His case is in question again 9 months later.
These cases are very rare.
Former Missouri Supreme Court Judge Michael Wolf knows the case well.
From the evidence that was presented to Judge Sennheiser, it sure looks like it was a wrongful conviction.
Dunn's murder conviction went before Judge Jason Sennheiser last year, involving a 1990 deadly shooting of a 15-year-old in St. Louis. 2 witnesses in this original case recanted their stories, and Sennheiser ruled Dunn was wrongly convicted and eventually released. From there, the Attorney General's office challenged this, and it went before the Missouri Supreme Court.
The Attorney General says the judgment that was made when he was convicted should be respected, and it's my duty to defend the finality of that judgment.
Missouri law doesn't allow the Attorney General to appeal. However, in a 4-3 decision, the higher court sided with the Attorney General.
3 of the judges said, no, the statute doesn't give him a right to appeal. The majority said, well, the statute doesn't provide for an appeal, but there's another statute. So here we are.
This means that every case coming forward, that he does have the right to appeal.
St. Louis University criminology professor Kenya Brumfield Young studies innocence claims.
When you have a person who spends over 30 years of their life incarcerated, they are now too a victim in a very different sense.
Dunn's case now goes to the Court of Appeals. It's up to those judges to see if Dunn's freedom remains.
There is no immediacy to the end of this for Chris. His entire life with his family is now again, hanging and waiting on a judicial court decision.
I'm told it could take months or years for a decision from the Court of Appeals. Now, I reached out to the Attorney General's office for comment. We have not heard back yet.